Hey developers, welcome back to Developer Console. Today I got something really cool for you. We're checking out 5 super useful Chrome extensions that will make your developer's life so much easier. Whether you're a front-end guy, a designer, or just someone who loves coding, these extensions are gonna save your time and boost your workflow. So let's jump right into it. Alright, first up, JSON Formatter. If you work with APIs, you know how messy JSON data looks, right? These extensions clean it up, formats everything beautifully with colors and structure. So instead of scrolling through a long line of text, you got a neat, readable layout perfect for debugging APIs or checking your backend responses. Next, ColorZilla. Front-end developers, this one of your best friend. You can pick any color from any website, get its X or RGB code instantly. You can even check gradients and color history. Super handy when you're matching UI colors or stealing inspiration from cool websites. Third one is WebLizer. Moving on WebLizer, ever visited a website and wondered what tech used? Well, this extension tells you everything. Frameworks, CMSs, analytics tools, backend language, all in one click. It's perfect for learning from other websites or just satisfying your tech curiosity. Next one, WhatFont. Designers are gonna love this. You hover over any text on a website and boom, it tells you exactly which font is being used, along with size and weight. No more guessing fonts, no more inspecting elements. Simple and super useful for web designers and UI developers. And finally, Fake Filler. This one's a huge time saver for web developers who test forms. Instead of manually typing names, emails, phone numbers again and again, just one click and it autofills everything with dummy data. Trust me, it's a lifesaver when you're testing your sign up or checkout forms. So yeah, developers, those were 5 must-have Chrome extensions that make your developer's life a lot smoother. If you haven't tried them out, go install and thank me later. And yeah, if you found this video helpful, make sure to like, share and subscribe to Developer Console for more awesome coding and tech stuff every week. Alright, see you in the next one. Happy coding!